let's dive into the global and regional packaging material usage trends. You will get much valuable inputs in this session about packaging usage strategy and also a story of Rwanda. See the content till end to enjoy this video. Worldwide packaging materials play a crucial role in our daily lives, providing protection, preservation, and convenience for products. The global packaging industry is diverse, with several materials commonly used for different applications. Here's a breakdown of the key packaging materials and their usage worldwide. Number 1. Paper and paperboard. Paper and paperboard are among the most widely used packaging materials globally. They are favored for their recyclability and biodegradability, making them an environmentally friendly choice. They are commonly used for boxes, cartons, and bags. They are cost-effective, customizable, and provide a good barrier against light and moisture. Their biodegradability contributes to reduced environmental impact compared to many other materials. Number 2. HDPE, PT, and rigid plastics. High-density polyethylene, known as HDPE, and polyethylene, terephthalate, known as PET, are commonly used for rigid packaging. They are prevalent in the food and beverage industry for bottles, containers, and jars. These plastics are durable, lightweight, and resistant to impact and moisture. Number 3, LDPE, LLPE, and flexible plastics. Low-density polyethylene, known as LDPE, and linear. Low-density polyethylene, known as LLDPE, are used for flexible packaging, such as bags, pouches, and wraps. They are flexible, tear-resistant, and can be manufactured in various thicknesses. They are also cost-effective. Number 4. Aluminum. Aluminum is used in packaging for its excellent barrier properties against light, moisture, and oxygen. It is common in the form of foil and laminated films, especially for food, pharmaceuticals, and beverage packaging. It is lightweight, durable, and recyclable. Aluminum can be used to create packaging that extends the shelf life of products. Number 5. Glass. Glass packaging is used for its premium look and ability to preserve the quality of contents. It is common for beverages, pharmaceuticals, and high-end food products. Glass is inert, meaning it does not react with the contents. It is also fully recyclable without loss of quality. In our upcoming session, when we will discuss about glass packaging, we will elaborate the types of glass, like USP Type 1, Type 2, Type 3 in details. Now, let's understand packaging material usage trends in India. The packaging landscape reflects a mix of traditional and modern materials. The top materials used are, number 1, paper and paperboard. Similar to global trends, paper and paperboard are highly favored in India. They are used for various packaging applications, including food, retail, and industrial packaging. Number 2, rigid plastic packaging, such as PET and HDPE, are commonly used for beverages, dairy products, and other consumer goods. They offer durability and a good barrier to external factors. Number 3, flexible packaging. Flexible packaging is increasingly popular in India due to its cost-effectiveness and versatility. It is used for snacks, ready-to-eat meals, and a variety of other products. Number 4. Aluminum foil and laminated films. Aluminum foil and laminated films are used for packaging items that require extended shelf life and protection from environmental factors. Number 5. Metal cans. Metal cans, which we generally termed as aluminum can and tin can, are used primarily for beverages and canned foods. They are valued for their durability and long shelf life. Now, let's turn our attention to Rwanda, often referred to as the Switzerland of Africa due to its stunning mountainous landscapes. Rwanda is noteworthy for its bold environmental policy. It became the first country in the world to ban plastic bags in 2008. This move was part of a broader effort to address environmental concerns, including the issue of plastic pollution. Rwanda's ban on plastic bags has significantly reduced plastic pollution. Plastic waste can be harmful to wildlife, clog waterways, and contribute to land and water pollution. By banning plastic bags, Rwanda has made strides in mitigating these issues. Economic and social benefits. The ban has encouraged the development of alternative packaging materials and has fostered a culture of environmental consciousness. It has also led to cleaner streets and improved public health conditions. Global inspiration. Rwanda's success story serves as an inspiration for other nations grappling with plastic pollution. If a country like Rwanda can implement such measures effectively, it challenges other nations to reconsider their plastic use and explore sustainable alternatives. As a conclusion, we can say the global packaging industry is diverse, with paper, plastics, aluminum, and glass playing significant roles. In India, paper, rigid plastics, and flexible packaging are leading materials. Rwanda's plastic ban highlights the potential for significant environmental impact through bold policy decisions. It serves as a compelling example of how a nation can lead by example and push for a more sustainable future. In essence, while plastic packaging is prevalent and often indispensable, there is an ongoing global movement towards more sustainable practices, driven by both necessity and innovation. Rwanda's achievements remind us that impactful change is possible and encourage us to rethink our own approaches to packaging and waste management. In our next session, we will discuss about contribution of packaging with individual stakeholders in an organization. Please subscribe our channel and stay tuned.